Well, hey folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC here on this early Saturday morning here in June, late middle of June, June 17th, I believe. We're going to take up the RV-7, a nice morning flight. Sun's just starting to come up in the east, obviously, and I'm going to take her up and have a little bit of fun with her. First light, first flight, and only person flying right now. So let's take her out and have a little bit of fun. What do you say? All right. All right, right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator. My rates are 100% throws over 30% expo. Motor is set for 5 minutes. All right. Really kind of a pilot's choice right now. There is no wind to speak of. Right, left, up, down, right, left. Let me make sure that, yes, we are recording. It's always a good thing to, when you're making a film, to record.
Flaps up.
Just so you're aware, I love that tail light. I'm running a 2700 3S Hobby Star in her. I mean, yeah, this plane will fly just fine on a 3S, but it flies extra good on a 4S. But today, I decided to fly her on 3S. And she's plenty sporty on
Landing flaps.
a 3S. All right. All right.
Takeoff flaps.
Get turned around here. Good looking little plane.
Flaps up.
As you can see on 3S,
4 minutes.
definitely not a slouch. A little bit of a knife edge there. Sorry I'm flying so far away. But the nice thing about
Landing flaps.
being able to see those navigation lights is that it tells you which way she is. With that green light, I know she's facing that way. Well, you know, you just know which way she is. Right now, I haven't flown this plane in a hot minute, so. But anyways, the navigation lights help you with your orientation for sure. All right.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Let's see, that red light knows that I know she's level, and then that wing is towards me.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Good looking little plane. Good looking little plane, that's for sure. Nice morning flight. I know what I said earlier, that didn't really make much sense, did it? About, well, I know that light's towards me, that's the way she's flying. Well, yeah. That's the way she goes. Now this is not a plane that you want to let float in. This is a low wing. So with any low wing, you're always going to land with a little bit of speed. Let's get turned around here and we'll take off in the other direction. And this time without, come on baby, we'll get turned around and we won't have any takeoff flaps this time. Good looking plane. Good looking plane. Definitely not a slouch on 3S. Much more authority, much faster, more, lot more oomph when she's on 4S, but just fine on 3S. Bring her right at me. Oh yeah, good looking little plane. Good looking little plane. right. Let's land her. Remember, low wing planes, you land with some speed, at least a quarter throttle. And that's 2 landings for the price of 1, and I can't leave it like that. You know I can't leave it like that. Let's try landing this time with no flaps. This is also the RV-7 bind and fly, just so you're aware. It has an AR-631 receiver in her, Spectrum receiver. That's much better. Much better landing without the flaps. I gotta tell you, I think I like her without the flaps. Be honest with you. Yeah. And landing is all about throttle. People think that elevator and all that. No, it's the throttle. Throttle is your main landing control. It actually is what controls your descent. I mean, the slower you go, you're going to drop, right? Okay.
10, 9,
all right, let's go ahead and land it for good this time.
5.
Because the British lady says that my time is over. All right, there we go. Kind of wiggle the tail a little bit to slow her down.
3, 2.
All right. And what do you want to hear before you ever touch a model?
Motor off.
Motor off, that's right. Because the last thing you want to do is have to go to the emergency room because you decide to slice your finger down the middle or slice it, lop it off because you got careless. Well, anyways, that's where I've got the 2700 basically all the way forward in the battery bay. And let's take a look and see, as GB Linden on his site likes to say, how much gas is in the tank. How much go-go juice do I have left? Oh, look at that. 67%. Goodness. I could have flew for 3 more minutes. We're not going to, but still. All right, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. That is the E-Flite RV-7. One wonderful little low wing. I don't know if I'd recommend it for your first low wing because she is awfully sporty and short wing and can be a bit to handle. But if you fly her just and safe and had someone there to help you, and definitely at an AMA club, then it might be okay. But I think a better choice for your first low wing would be like the E-Flite Cherokee. But anyways, folks, there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, save family and friends and them planes. Bye-bye.